welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a special guest.
My name is McKenna.
My sister.
People call me Kenny.
McKenna has a YouTube channel as well. I'll link it down below. In today's video, I recreated McKenna's makeup routine. This is her everyday makeup routine. Very simple, very easy. We used not a lot of products, brushes, or techniques.
We actually used a decent amount. You used extra.
So if you'd like to see how we got her look today, then keep on watching.
Makeup Forever Step 1, I just got a sample of it. So I'm gonna take like 2p sizes of it.
Okay, and I'm just gonna use my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base.
It smells great.
This?
No, mine.
Oh, mine smells great too.
Next step, I go straight into foundation.
Okay.
I'm using my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation.
And I'm using the It Cosmetics CC Cream.
Okay, so I put it like 3 pumps on my hand. Oh, and you're only gonna use, yeah, that's
Yeah, I just need
even.
one.
Grab it with my finger,
You just,
dot it.
okay.
And then the extra, I just rub it on my neck.
Okay.
I'm just gonna be taking
me
my
too.
Real Techniques sponge.
Yeah, me too.
And just pat. Okay. Oh, I forgot about my neck. Next step is concealer. I am using the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. I have no idea what the shade is because it's not on here, but it's pretty pale.
Okay, and I'm using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Custard.
And you have to make sure you put it the same amount I do.
Yeah.
I don't do a lot. I'll probably do that under my eyes.
Okay, then I'm using a more full coverage one.
No.
Yeah, this is like the same coverage as that one. Tarte Shape Tape.
And then a little line on your chin. And a little line on forehead. And a little line on your nose. And then I do the sides because my nose gets red there.
Oh, me too. Me too.
No, not there.
Oh.
Like up here.
Okay. Do you do hair?
Maybe a little.
Okay. Blending again, just with our sponges. What do you start with? Forehead or your
It
chin?
doesn't matter.
Okay.
Either forehead or chin, then my eyes, then my nose is last.
Okay.
I always do my concealer before my cream contour because I feel like if I do my cream contour and then my concealer, since the concealer is so pigmented, it just covers all of the contour after.
Which is backwards to what I do.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever done my cream contour after my, after my concealer.
Yeah, I always do. And then I always go with that, whatever's under my eye, I just go over my eyelid.
Okay. Okay, I'm done. What's next, boss?
So I'm using the Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer in Baked. Cute.
And I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn.
I do that. And like that. Down my forehead. Like so.
So like that.
Yep, and then all the way
And
down the
then
forehead.
all the way around the forehead. And then, anywhere else?
Nope.
Just here and here?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm gonna use the back side of my beauty blender
Okay.
and just go to town.
Yes, ma'am.
And I bring it kind of like to the cheek there.
Oh yeah, that's what I've been doing.
You just gotta go fast and blend her out.
Okay.
Oh, my arm hurts. Takes a lot.
Do you contour your nose?
Nope.
At all?
Nope.
I'm just gonna put a little bit on my nose.
No, Paige.
Okay.
You have to look like me.
Okay.
Okay, that looks pretty good. That's all. Good for me. I just go straight into baking, technically, I guess.
Do you powder your face? Your whole face?
Just let me do my job.
Okay.
I take Airspun Loose Face Powder in translucent.
I'm also using Airspun powder
Smells like
in
my grandma.
translucent.
So I don't really like leave it there. I don't know what you do, but I basically put it under my eye and then I just press it in.
Okay.
Do you do that?
No.
You let it bake?
Well, first I go in with like my Morphe pink brightening powder, and then I go in with Airspun.
I don't have any other special powder.
Okay.
Go under your eyes.
Yep, done.
And your eyelids. And then I do this like corners of my nose.
Okay.
And then just kind of bring it on top of my whole nose.
Okay.
And then I just take a bit, but I make sure I like dust it off. And then just go over my face. The first thing I use is the Morphe M. I started like blanking out once I started looking at the camera. Morphe M437. And then the Wet n Wild contouring palette in Dolce de Leche. It's so fudging pigmented.
Yeah, it's really good. It's like $6 from Walmart. I'm just using, this brush is just a Sephora small contour brush.
I always start on this side.
Okay.
And I hold the back of the brush so it's more loose. I just start going. And I add more. I'm going to contour my forehead. And then bringing it down so it's kind of like at my temples as well. So it all blends.
Nice. Do you do your jaw at all? Onto your forehead? Bring it down?
Bring down to my chin. I mean, to my jaw. My jaw, cheekbone.
Okay.
Okay, so next is blush. I'm using Kylie Cosmetics Baddie on the Block.
Okay.
And my Morphe M427 brush, which...
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah, I got it in Vegas.
Okay, and I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio with a Zoeva Luxe Highlight Brush.
I'm just gonna start here and then just kind of lightly bring it back. But focusing it on my apples and then bringing it back. I go in with my Milani Baked Blush in Dolce Pink. So it has a bit of a shimmer in it, kind of pretty. Blush is like one of my favorite things.
Me too.
So it just brings life back into the face.
That's what I say.
Oh my god, are you my sister? That's basically all.
Okay.
Now I spray my face.
This smells like, I don't know if any of you have ever had a strawberry, what is it called? Strawberry shortcake DVD. It's a show we used to watch when we were younger, and the inside of the DVD case smelled like strawberries, and it smells exactly like this. Let me know down below if you know what I'm talking about.
Sometimes I will go under here with like powder, but it's looking pretty fine.
Okay.
But I sprayed my face, I let it dry a bit, and then before it's completely dry, I pat my whole face. And I swear it literally just makes your skin look airbrushed after.
Yes.
And then next I do highlighter.
We're using the Mary Luminizer highlighter by The Balm.
I just kind of keep it back here. And then kind of whatever is left on the brush.
What?
You went for more already. I'll bring to my brow bone and then connect it down.
Oh.
You don't do that?
No.
And then just with one pat, whatever, I'll do just above like my brows. And then one more little dinky-doo, whatever. And then I do my nose.
That big brush.
Yep. And then if I had more spray, I would go over my face again, pat it again, but I don't need to, so it's fine. And I don't really have any left. Okay, so now is lips.
Oh, do you do eyes?
Nope, after, like mascara. 4 lip products. So I start with, if I don't have like just normal Vaseline, I just have this one, and it happens to be tinted. So I'll take a little bit of that and then just rub it all over my lips to get them moisturized. Then I go in, sometimes I used to only use this, then only use this. NYX, NYX, whatever you want to call it, in Ruby. It's very old. And then I will line my lips. Are you going to use it after you?
I'll wipe it.
So while Paige is going to do hers.
Do you overline your lips?
No.
Oh.
I don't need to.
Wait, do you just do the outline?
Oh yeah, you're not going to overline yours?
Yeah, this is overlined.
No, it's not. You don't overline your lips. That's your lip. Okay, then I go in with the Burt's Bees Rhubarb Lip Shimmer. Cutie. I used to be able to line my lips with this, but now it's just kind of too messy, so I just basically fill in my lips with it. Sometimes I'll just rub it in with my finger.
Oh, it's pigmented.
Very. Kind of in the middle and then rub it.
Wow, thank you.
Basically to look like so, and sometimes I'll blot it if it's like too much. And then I just go in with any lip gloss. I just have this one I've had for a while. It says pumpkin. It's not, I don't think.
I think it's cute.
And then I go in with lip gloss. Sorry, you got your own.
So I'm using the Glossier lip gloss.
It's sticky. Not really. It's very sticky.
You tried it?
Yep.
Mine?
Yeah, you let me.
This
So
lady.
Give Me MAC by Sun bronzer. What, did I just blind it? Give Me MAC by Sun. I did not mean to do that. Give Me Sun by MAC bronzer and my
Why did it take you so long?
I don't know, because I was getting into it. Me and Paige have fun. She just finds me like a comedian. Okay,
She's funny.
I'm gonna tuck my hair back again, and so I'm using this big
I want to buy that.
brush from Morphe.
I want to use that brush.
Nope.
Okay.
I'm kind of a germaphobe, even if it's just brushes, even though I let her use my lip
Even though I'm the sister.
Anyway.
Okay.
So then I just go on my cheeks. And then my forehead and just bring it down. Basically just warming up the face just a little more.
Oh my god, I look like you.
Do you?
I feel like I do.
Last we have mascara. So I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise in Mystic Black.
You like that?
Yeah, it's okay.
And I'm using the Telescopic Mascara by L'Oreal.
And then I'm just gonna do a little bit on my bottom lashes.
Oh, you do?
You don't?
Not normally.
And that, my friends, is the completed look.
Do we look like twins?
Not really. I hope you guys learned stuff or how you can do makeup differently.
Yes.
She was a makeup artist, I'm not.
I learned some things. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I had fun with my sister. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
No, and don't forget to follow
Oh, yeah.
I have a YouTube channel. Way before she ever did.
I will see you in my next video. Bye.